Hey everybody, it's been a minute. I know I probably recorded like 100 intros and I haven't uploaded a single video in so long. You know, you just kind of hit a wall, and that's just kind of where I'm at right now. I just like hit a wall with this channel right now and work, and I've been remodeling the bathroom. I'll show you how far I am on the bathroom. Waiting for a side job to show up, doing an intercooler install. Been working on the bathroom, so my house is a disaster. So here's the, oh, that's my kid in the bathroom. Wait till he's done. So here's the bathroom. Been working on. I don't do this stuff. I mean, I do it on my own. Like I tore the walls down and did all the lighting and everything myself, and all the flooring and everything. So the tile's not perfect, but it is what it is. For just watching YouTube videos, just like when people work on cars and they watch YouTube videos and they get stuck and they comment, I'm stuck. So I started a subreddit, so I'm hoping that I'll put it in the link in the description. I'm hoping that for like common, like there could be, I don't know, I don't really use Reddit, but I think a subreddit would be good for the channel, because then people could search, but nobody searches, we all know that, and kind of just look and see, instead of going through the comments or just commenting on every single one, like the same question over and over again. We could get an outline of like the exact, you know, their question, like, oh, what is this, and then, oh, just send a link to the subreddit or whatever, and they can read through it, and you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. So, trying to stay chipper here. Real pain in the butt. Pretty burnt out. So yeah, I'm gonna try to upload a video right now. Well, today, after this intercooler's done. Upload this video, I don't even know. I have so much random footage on here of random things. So, I'll see what I got, put it together. And I'll upload it. Alright, goodbye. Alright, back out on the road. You can get to those things with the wheels on. So let me see if I fixed it. Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna drive down the street and I'm gonna work with it again. Another day, another video I haven't posted. So driving the Miata around, as you saw prior. It drives like a boat, so the owner's dad or whatever, the guy that I'm doing it for, he asked me, hey, how does that thing ride? And I was like, like crap. It needs shocks. One back here is sweating and leaking, you know, it's got oil around it, so that one's dead. So we ordered shocks, so I got shocks for it, and it turns out the noise that I was chasing, which I thought was the back, which I thought was one of these little guys, I thought maybe it shifted over, that's the front. The front brakes are smoked. So now I'm gonna do all 4 shocks and the front brakes. Yes! Ugh, it's hot out here. It's like 90 degrees. That's right, it's 90 degrees. So I'm going to take this rear shock out. Freaking sway bar motion. I mean, these sway bars are so sad. If you ever seen one on a Miata, it's literally like the size of a Sharpie. Like nothing. Anyways, I need sockets that do stuff like a 17. What size is this? Anybody know? Okay, I have air. I can't see. Still got some air. I lost it. That's right here. You think this one's gonna shoot off if I loosen the bolt? Guess we'll find out. What is that, a 17? way more pressure than Volkswagens. That was cool. Oh yeah, this thing's smoke. Yeah, just don't, don't do that. That's funny. That's funny for me, I guess. I don't know. It's whatever. Okay, so now I get the new shocks. All right, I only did 2 shocks. I am freaking dying out here, so I am going to unplug this light. Looks like I got a punch in the face. I don't know. Anyways, that's it for this. I don't know how many outros I've recorded and just never uploaded anything, so gonna work on one tonight. I promise. No, I lied. But I'm gonna try. Hi. Ow. God, I got like this thing in my elbow and I'm just, whatever. Back on the Miata. It's been a little heat wave here in California, and I'm a pussy, so there's that. And I just didn't want to work in my garage after working all day. So, I love how people just look at me like, what the f is this guy doing? Like, with the camera like this in my face. I'm gonna be doing the front shocks now and the front brakes. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. First, I'm trying to clean up a little bit. Get a little anxiety here because I got shit everywhere. I'm freaking tired. I just freaking and I'm freaking tired. And just a grumpy old man now. Get off my lawn! So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna work on these brakes and go for a road test. And I wonder if it's still gonna feel like a piece of crap. I imagine it's not gonna feel like a piece of crap, but I think that my S-Class is better than this thing does at the current moment, or its current state. Cool. Battery died, left the key on. Let's go for a drive. New shocks in, new brakes. Well, I should pump those first, huh? I definitely want to pump those. This thing is definitely monster truck mode right now. Doesn't feel like it. Tiny thing. Oh, I need to clean my driveway too. All this work on the house is just been messy. Alright, let's go out so I don't get killed pulling out of the driveway. Here we go. We shouldn't have any more squeaky. Oh, that's one. Should not have any more squeaky. No more squeaking. Just finished a intercooler spring install. In 2 hours. No big deal. Not tooting my own horn or anything. I'm not sure what I have for content on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and see what I have. Try to make a video out of it. I did get the brakes working finally on the EXO. So now it actually has brakes. I can't really show you because it's really hard to push it. But this is full holding fluid. I had to bench bleed this. I couldn't get it to the rear, so I actually had to put a hose in here in like old school. I've never had to do that in my whole career. I guess I'm spoiled. So did that. Finally got fluid to the rear. Everything's bled. Got brakes now. Waiting on the clutch. So I got the clutch, the custom disc in. Didn't fit my splines on my input shaft. So I sent to my input shaft and my clutch disc, and they're waiting for that to come back. Cleaned off the pan, cleaned off the engine. Gonna put that on. And the next time the engine goes in, it's gonna be hopefully for the last time. I gotta get a plate for here to weld from here to here, because I changed that. Because it was It did have one before with the X there for stability, so I'm just gonna add it back in there and just whatever. I'll finish the wiring for the headlights, blah blah blah. I also got these. Well, I'm borrowing them from my friend. I'm gonna switch to these mounts because these look way better than the piece of crap ones that I had. And I think I'm gonna redesign the engine mounts because these are the engine mounts. They're just so atrocious. I'm gonna go to aluminum, I think. Now that I can actually, that was when I was scared and I didn't really know how to weld aluminum. So now I'm a little better with aluminum, so I'm gonna go ahead and make aluminum mounts out of those. It's gonna be sweet. All right, peace out, everybody.